Don't mind me, I am sick, so if I sound a little stuffy and out of breath, it's because I can't breathe through my nose, so. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name's Helena and I do lots of plus size fashion videos. And today I have a Old Navy swimsuit haul slash try on. I'm so excited to try these bathing suits on. They looked so bomb and so freaking cute. So I'm gonna try those on, tell you guys how I like them, see how they fit, and all of that good jazz. And I'm so excited to try them on, so I'm just gonna get straight into the video. If you want to see more plus size fashion videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And other than that, I am going to get straight into the video. Okay guys, here's the first swimsuit. It's the super pretty lavender colored freaking bathing suit. Like, I love this. This is so cute. I'm obsessed with this. Honestly, the color, I don't know, I love the way it fits. It's super flattering. The bottoms have like ruching right here. The top has padding, which I don't like. So if I keep this, I'm probably gonna take the padding out. And then it has a super cute little tie detail right there. Like, I'm obsessed with this. I look freaking so cute, and I'm probably gonna keep this. The only thing that kind of bothers me is that that strap is probably going to like go down, and like, I don't know. It's just, it kind of bothers me that it's gonna like, I already know it's gonna fall down and it's not gonna stay up and stuff like that, but it's not like too big of a deal to me. So I don't know, I freaking love this. This is adorable and I love the color of this, so probably gonna keep it because I look freaking great. I'm all about it. I'm feeling it. I love it. It's cute and it fits perfectly. The bottoms are like perfect. They go up to the perfect area. The top is so freaking pretty. I love this. Okay, I'm just like obsessing over it, but yeah, it's super cute. I love everything about it. It has like a tie that you tie around your neck. I know some people don't like that. It doesn't bother me, but yeah, I love this. Love the color. Fits perfectly. Fits like a glove. I look bombing. So let me try on the next one. So here is the second suit. This is beautiful. I love this color. It's so pretty. Okay, so this is the back of it. And the swim bottoms are exactly the same as the last swimsuit that I tried on. Has the ruching right here. I believe a lot of the Old Navy swim bottoms were the same, so they all like probably have the same fit and stuff like that if they're made out of the same material. But love this top. Like, how freaking adorable is this? It's so pretty. I'm in love. I love how Old Navy swimsuits are like basic but like classic, if that makes any sense. I don't know, I just really like this. So how you put this on, you put it over your head. It has this really long tie in the back. Let me get it undone. So what I did was I took the tie. You can tighten it as much as you need to. Wrap it around, tighten the back. Or if you have more, you can, if you have more string, then you can wrap it around again and tighten the front. However you want to wear it, because I think it would be super cute, like tied in the front as well, with a little bow here. Like, I don't know. If this wasn't so long, that would be super cute. But yeah, this is pretty. I like this. Like, man, I'm feeling myself. Like, I love this color. It's perfect. And all of these swimsuits that I'm trying on are in a 4X because that's as high as they go at Old Navy. But yeah, this swimsuit, I love it. Yeah, there's not really much else to say about it. I love the color. I love the fit. I love these little stringy bits that you can tie in the front or in the back. So let me go on to the next suit and I'll be right back. Guys, look at this swimsuit. How freaking like awesome is this? Like, this is so cute. I'm in love with these swimsuits, honestly. Here is the back. It's a really nice halter top, which I had a halter top from Torrid last year, and I literally lived in that thing all freaking summer. Like, I loved it. I got so many compliments on it. So I am all about halter top swimsuits. Like, this is my vibe right here. Like, it's so cute. I know all I say is everything's so cute, but like, it is. So this doesn't have like as much support or anything. It doesn't have wire under it like the first one that I tried on. It just has like the cup and the lining and stuff. So I love this. Like, I really like all of the bathing suits that I have tried on so far. I'm gonna try the last one on. Alright guys, this is the last and final bathing suit. It's very similar to the first one that I tried on. It has the underwire, the little tie bow right here. It's a halter top. You tie it at the neck, and it has the same exact closure at the back. These bottoms, I think, are a little bit different. They don't have the ruching or anything, and I feel like they don't come up as high as all the previous ones that I tried on. I really love this bathing suit as well. Like, this is very pretty. It's totally giving me summer vibes. I want to chill by the freaking pool and lay out and get some sun, like beach vibes. The print on this is like a pattern printed, or not pattern, a striped print, horizontal stripes. It does have padding in the chest. Like the first one I tried on. Like I said, it's very similar to the very first one I tried on. The only thing that's different is the bottoms. They don't go up as high. Also, don't mind me, I am sick, so if I sound a little stuffy and out of breath, it's because I can't breathe through my nose. So, but yeah, I am in love with this. I love this swimsuit so much. I love all of them that I purchased. I think I'm probably gonna keep all of them. We'll see. I'm usually not a fan of the halter tops, but this is just so cute. I cannot pass it up. Like, I'm gonna live in this swimsuit all summer, and all of those swimsuits all summer. That's how much I love them. Okay, so final verdict, I love all of these swimsuits. They are beautiful. They hug me in my curves in the right way. I don't feel uncomfortable in them. I freaking look bomb as heck. Like, I'm probably gonna keep every single one of these. A cool thing about these bathing suits as well is that you can mix and match all of the colors, because the striped one had that lavender color in it. It had the blue color in it. So you could take the striped halter top and wear the halter top, and then wear the lavender bottoms or the blue navy bottom. So I don't know, I just really am in love, and I'm impressed with these suits from Old Navy. I will let you know they only go up to a size 4X. So if you're anywhere in between a size 1X to 4X, definitely check them out, because they are always running sales. I know right now, which they probably won't be whenever I upload this video, but right now they're doing a 30% off swim, and that makes this like $15 maybe. Like, that's freaking a good price. Okay, so prices on these bathing suits. They were running some type of discount whenever I got them. I can't quite remember what the discount was. All of these bathing suits ranged from a price of $16 to the highest was $31, which in my opinion is a really good price, because I look at Old Navy and see these prices, whereas I look at Torrid and see $60 for a bathing suit top or $50 for a bottom, you know. So this is a really good price. Definitely check out Old Navy. I'm in love with all of the suits. And that's all I have for you guys today. So let me know if you guys liked any of these suits, or if you have tried on any other suits at Old Navy down below in the comments. And other than that, I will see you guys later. Bye.